Hi, thanks for joining me today on my fitness workout. Today's workout is a dance fitness routine. We are doing a full body cardio. We're going full force. We're getting that heartbeat pumping and racing. We're gonna be working every single muscle in our bodies.
To go to sleep when I got you next to me.
All night I ride with you. I know you got my back and you know I got you. So come up, come up, come up. Let's get physical. Lights out, follow the noise. Baby, keep on dancing like you ain't got a choice. So come up, come up, come up. Let's get physical. Adrenaline keeps on rushing in. Love the simulation we're dreaming in. Don't you agree? Don't you agree? I don't wanna live another life, 'cause this one's pretty nice. Living it up. Who needs to go to sleep when I got you next to me? All night I ride with you. I know you got my back and you know I got you. So come up, come up, come up. Let's get physical. Lights out, follow the noise. Baby, keep on dancing like you ain't got a choice. So come up, come up, come up. Let's get physical. Hold up, just a little time. Come on, hold up. Tell me if you're ready. Come on, baby, keep on dancing. Let's get physical. Hold up, just a little time. Come on, hold up. Tell me if you're ready. Come on, baby, keep on dancing. Let's get physical. All night I ride with you. I know you got my back and you know I got you. So come up, come up, come on. Let's get physical. Lights out, follow the noise. Baby, keep on dancing like you ain't got a choice. So come up, come up, come on. Let's get physical. Let's get physical. Physical. Let's get physical. Come on. Physical.
Thanks for working out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and drop me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time. Oh, you're so puppy. I know.